Hello my Ghanaian food family. Today I will be showing how I prepare kontomire abom, a Ghanaian dish typically served with yam and or plantain. There's a link provided in the description below if you want to learn how to boil yam or plantain. Okay, let's start. For the ingredients, we need 1 bunch of kontomire, 1 medium-sized kobe, 1 medium-sized smoked mackerel, zomi palm oil, 1 large onion, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup kantose or turkey berry, 4 tomatoes and 4 scotch bonnet pepper, 1 avocado, and some rock salt. Apart from the kontomire, make sure all the ingredients are washed before proceeding. First, cut the onion into quarters and place in a pot. Then add the kantose, tomatoes, pepper, and the kobe. Add 4 cups of water. I almost forgot the eggs. Cover and put on fire to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we work on our kontomire. Strip the leafy part from the stalk and the veins. The stalk and the veins cause itching in the mouth when eaten. Now thoroughly wash the kontomire. We avoid washing it first because it's easier to strip when not wet. Now back to our boiling pot. Get your earthenware bowl or asanka ready. You can use a blender if you don't have one. Fetch the kantose and the pepper into the bowl. Set the kobe aside to give yourself room to work. I put 2 of the pepper aside to control the heat. I can always add it in if I need more. Grind the kantose and pepper thoroughly. Add the tomatoes. Grind them gently to leave them a little bit chunkier for texture. With the blender, use the pulse feature to achieve this. Do the same for the onions. Back to our boiling pot. Add the kontomire to the still boiling water. Cover and cook till it wilts. That's about 5 minutes. When it's done, strain and add to the ground ingredients. Grind as well. Again, avoid making the kontomire too smooth. Pulse if using a blender to ensure this. This helps retain the texture. Now for the kobe, I prefer deboning it, leaving only the salty flesh. Most people serve the kobe whole. I do it this way so I don't have to deal with the many bones that come with this fish when served, especially for kids. Mash the kobe into the mixture. Try to spread it around so the salt content will spread evenly. Taste for salt to your preference. Add some rock salt if necessary. Heat a 1/4 cup of palm oil in a pot for about 30 seconds. Then add the smoked mackerel. My oil here was a little too hot, so it started to smoke. Fry for a minute or 2. Pour the hot oil and fish over the kontomire and stir it in. Now, peel the hard-boiled eggs and add to the kontomire. Add the pepper whole into the kontomire. This can be mashed in if needed to add more heat. So that's it. You can serve with boiled yam and or plantain. You can garnish with avocado if preferred. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment and share to support us. Thank you.